Okay, we're here at 323 North Grenola Street in Pacific Palisades. We started off by running our camera from the 4-inch cleanout located in the basement of the house underneath. We basically reached the property line over here. We cannot push the camera any further, so we're going to run the camera from a 4-inch cleanout that's located in the front of the house where the pipe. It's a 3-inch clean, where it exits the front of the house. So right now we're actually at the sidewalk. We're going to pull the camera back. It's a clay pipe, you see, as it comes vertical, definitely a little bit broken over here. Definitely got some roots coming in this vertical pipe. It's coming vertical at the property line by the retaining wall. There are some roots in the pipe here. Definitely got some cracks and stuff. You can see it's a little bit broken over here. You see there, pretty heavy roots, cracks over here. So we're going to keep coming back. This is about 4 feet deep before the dive. We've got the clay pipe over here. Pretty heavy roots coming in here. It's obviously cracked over there. Quite a lot of roots. Now, it comes back to some cast iron pipe here. Cast iron's obviously getting a little old. Does have some rust buildup in it, obviously, but it's still functioning. Even the clay pipe, you could probably periodically hydrojet and stuff, but it is cracked and stuff. This is definitely getting a little old here, but looks okay though. Still in fair condition, a little bit of rust buildup. Remember, we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside. From whatever we were able to check underneath the house, it actually didn't look too bad, the pipe. You're going to have a general inspector check every line in the house. We cannot check every pipe. Definitely got a little bit of rust buildup. Doesn't look too bad though, considering. Okay, so here it comes out of this clean out here underneath the house. We're going to pause the recording. We're going to continue our inspection. Completed from the clean out that's located in the front of the house. Okay, so we're running the camera from the clean out located in the front of the house. We've reached a point here in the line where we're going to locate this, but you can see it's pretty blocked over here. Right at the end of the line, looks like it's diving down. A lot of roots over there. Heavy roots over here in the 6-inch lateral coming across. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this out, and then I'll stop the recording, and then we'll get a couple of locations. I also want to have a look on Navigate LA to see why it's diving like that. Maybe there's a chimney over here or something. But obviously the clay piping outside has got a lot of roots in it, a lot of cracks in the pipe. Okay, we're going to come out here. I'm going to stop the recording over here, and I'm going to get a couple of locations.